I'm Purna.
And I'm Deepa. Culture is nothing but traditions passed over generations to generations, and I'm going to share Purna, our tradition, our native special, Viruduhunagar's ever delicious and so native, authentic fish curry and fish fry. So this curry and fry is all about the masala, and we are gonna ground this in this beautiful ammi.
Yeah.
So Purna is going to keep one by one masala ingredients. Can you get it, Purna?
Yeah.
Here we have 1.5 tablespoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of fenugreek soaked in water.
A teaspoon of black pepper, some red chilies.
I have 12 red chilies right over here. When you just grind the masala, you have to first start with these three and slowly incorporate this red chilies. And we have one other ingredient to be ground. Let's see. I'm gonna start grinding. So we are adding little by little water and grinding it. Look at the smell. You can feel the nice aroma of cumin and pepper coming out. So look how beautifully Purna is grinding the masala. Look over here, it's almost like nice fine paste. So slowly we are going to add some shallots. We are going to add nearly a cup of shallots, but we are going to do it little by little so that it gets easy. So let's grind the shallots. So we have bought this fish from the pond. This is viral mean, and we have cut it into nice fillet sizes so that we can make roast out of it.
Yeah.
And
this one's for the gravy.
Yeah, we have some bigger chunks, the head, the tail into this for making curry.
So over here we have 2 cups of Kerala rice or matarasi soaked in water for 2 hours. We're cooking this in 6 cups of water with a little bit of salt. This rice goes great with fish curries.
Purna has ground this masala so well, and let's start making this curry. And the same masala we are going to marinate for fry as well.
Yep.
Let's see how to make fish curry.
Yeah.
So I have not switched on the stove. I'm going to add this masala inside the pot. So we are adding this ground masala into it. So we are adding approximately half cup of sesame oil. The sesame oil is the real flavor behind the fish curry, and the salt needed for the fish curry. Any Indian non-veg food would involve turmeric to it. So we are adding some turmeric. So we have taken tamarind pulp out of 1 lemon-sized tamarind soaked in water. We are adding that to this, and then we are going to add some nearly 1 cup of water. Give it a nice mix and then switch on the stove. So we are going to add another cup of water as well. We have added 2 cups of water, and let's wait until it comes to a nice boil.
So let's add some salt for the fish fry. Gonna add everywhere equally. Then let's add some turmeric.
And then finally some ground masala paste. So let's mix this thoroughly and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. We generally marinate it keeping it outside on the sunlight so that this is so tasty. Yeah, the flavors get inside the fish. So this has come to a nice boil. So it's time to add the fish. So we are taking major chunks of fish, like its head part, its tail part, and bigger chunks for the curry, and we are adding it into this.
So they're more bigger.
Some uneven parts that's not suitable for fries. Once this gets cooked, if you leave it overnight and eat it the very next day, this tastes delicious. That's the specialty of this clay pot, and the fish curry gets more and more delicious the very next day. It's like natural refrigerator, I believe. So we always gel this fish curry with a clay pot, and there's a super cute Tamil song that Purna will be singing. Bakku bakku bakku, yeah, that's the song. It's been 25 minutes in simmer, and this curry is really delicious and getting ready. Look at that sesame oil floating on the top. That's a symbol where the curry is getting done. And meanwhile,
let's make the fish fry. We've heated our oil.
Yeah, we have heated peanut oil. Yeah, it's really good for frying, and we are going to add the fish into this. So we are going to serve this beautiful soft Kerala rice on a plate, and this ever delicious and so native authentic fish curry over it. Look at the deliciousness of the curry, just overflowing with, you can see even the head part. This is Purna's favorite, isn't it, Purna?
Yeah.
And we are gonna serve the fish fry to the side. Just get carried away with this authentic flavors cooked in clay pot and the traditional masalas blended. This is just unbeatable. So we are getting ready to taste this deliciousness, and this is the way we have to sit and eat the traditional way. This slab is made with rosewood, and this is nice posture to sit and eat. This is how the ancestors ate.
Yep.
So we are going to taste this. How is it, Purna?
Good.
You can feel the special flavor because it's cooked in clay pot. And this rice is so delicious when it's being.
special also because we did it in the ummi, and the masala just is more flavorful.
Wow.
So good.
Definitely give it a try, and this is just unbeatable and so authentic.
Yep.
You'll enjoy eating it, and even you can eat it the very next day. That's a so special thing about this dish.
This is delicious, soft, yummy, tangy, spicy, and all the flavors that you just need. And it's gonna give you a lot of energy and makes you happy when you're sad. So, try this at your home. Don't forget to like this video if you like our recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for amazing videos every Friday at 8 p.m. So do subscribe and turn on post notifications. See you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.